Again, welcome back to our demo video part 7. So in our previous video we're discussing about how to generate our daily income. So in our daily income sheet here, in our previous video we demonstrated how we got our first transaction here record and our second transaction. So in this video now we'll be showing you how to search for record, a particular record. So for instance, somebody came and said that they did a transaction here, but then you don't know about it, so you want to try to track it to see whether the person is telling true or not. So you ask the person for their name and just go straight to the name column right here where you see customers. After you go there, you click the drop down button here, or you can read this instruction that says to search for a record in this table, please click the filter, which is a filter. A filter is this drop down arrow right here to each column. So after you click the filter, the drop down button, then you can tap the information. You can tap the information right in the search button here. Like you check for the person name. The person was Prince Kona. So you can search for this person name. And just after you put the person name in, you just click on OK. So Prince now is going to appear with the transaction that he did. He did a banner, a sticker tab, he did 5 pieces, and he paid $90. He charged him $100, but he begged for $90. So the total that he paid was $450. So after you're done with that, you can just click the same filter button and just click on this clear filter for customers. So when you do that, you're going to have your table again. So that is how to search in this table. So this is our daily income tracking for January 2024. So you can track all of your daily income here. Whatever transaction you do per day, you can list everything here and list the date here. But everything should fall on this January 2024. After January ends, if space stay there, you leave that space and go to the next month. Go to the next month, February. But don't mix February with January. No. Each month has its own sheet. I only did it long at this because many times more customer comes for transaction, so you can limit the sheet. That's why we make it very long. So if January ends and space is still there, you can just leave that space as it is and move to the current month. And the total that will be there for that January will be right here to the Monday total, or you can even see it at the bottom of the January on the summary sheet. So that's how we generate our Monday income. So now this what we explain here implies to the other months. We are not doing it 1 1 1 1 because everything is the same. So the same method we did here goes to the other months. That's the same method. So after everything is generated, this month total plus this month all the way to December will be calculated and the total will be here. That's what make the yearly income total. So it will also appear here too on the left hand side as a yearly income total. So even if you do only January, all of the amount you get in January will stay calculate and come to the yearly till the year can end before you get the actual yearly income. But as you're working, it will be calculating automatically. That's how it works. So after the whole thing, you can see the income, let's say the expenditure. So for the expenditure is not on the sheet. The expenditure is on a separate sheet. So to go there, you can just click on this goal and it will take you to the expenditure sheet. So this is the expenditure sheet per month from January to December. So as you can see, the summary of the expenditure is on each month. For January, this is the summary total. For February, this is the summary total all the way to December. So all of these, when if filling with all, it will calculate and give you the yearly let's say the total yearly expense. So this would be the total yearly expense for